Hello, respected parents. This is Dr. M. K. Das, Principal, DAV Transport Nagar, Patna. I have come to make certain requests to you in regards the further education of your children. Your children have passed out this time with flying colors in the examination AISSC 2021. Let me tell you, you will be definitely putting your children in good organizations for higher education. But so far as we are concerned as mentors and educators, we would propose that you should go for DAV University. Why I am proposing? Because I get my bread and butter from DAV? No. The answer is DAV University or DAV organization itself is a non-profit organization. DAV organization has not been established with a view to earn profit. Rather, it was established to spread education in the society. So whatever fees we receive from the parents, that is utilized for the teaching learning process of the children. So DAV University is also no exception. It's a part of the DAV organization. Secondly, DAV University has become the best university, or rather one of the best, I would say, in the country, and the best, of course, in Punjab. It is situated in Jalandhar. Third is, DAV University has all those streams which a child of modern days wishes to pursue. So whatever the child wants to pursue, the stream exists in DAV University. It enables children to pursue bachelor's degree as well as master's degree, and after that, if the child wants to take up doctoral degree, the PhD, DAV University also enables them to do that. Fourth point, placement of DAV University as a whole is again one of the best. DAV University has come up with the best placement in the country. And fifth, of course, last but not the least, is we say once a DAVian, always a DAVian. If a child goes from a DAV school, say this school, and the child faces problem there in Jalandhar in DAV University, we are there to help him out. We are there who will always keep in touch with the child and ensure that he stays well and he gets his education in the best possible manner. And finally, I would say the fees that the DAV University charges for any degree is the minimum compared to any university in India. Of course, we cannot compare with government universities because their funding comes from the government. But we are self-sustained organization. DAV University is a self-sustained university. Personally, I am in touch with the Vice Chancellor of the university. We have discussions once in a month at least. So I would recommend that children from my school should go to DAV University. Have you any confusion in regard any stream or the process, etc.? You can always come to me during working hours every day, and we can have a discussion, and on my part, in your presence, we can have a discussion with the DAV University people. Thank you. All the best for your children.